What's up, everybody? It's Bethany here, and I am starting a YouTube channel. Who is not? Anyway, this is my first video and a little bit about me. I am a wife, a mom, a soldier, a recruiter, a makeup guru-ish. I really enjoy things that are all about beauty, but more than beauty, I really appreciate the beauty and excellence in everything. And so that's what a lot of this channel is going to be about. So sometimes it'll be beauty, sometimes it'll be excellence, sometimes it'll just be encouragement, sometimes it will just be a story, sometimes it will be a how-to. So it's going to be a lot of different things, so stay tuned and be sure to hit the subscribe button and the little bell to give you an alarm. I think it's going to be right here, maybe right here. Oh, I don't know. But for other extra special videos, go ahead and watch them here, or maybe watch them here. I'm new to this. I really have no idea where they're going to show up. Anyway, I hope you're all having a great day, and stay tuned to this channel, and be sure to subscribe so you can get more info all about the world of Bethany Stanley and beauty and excellence and everything. We'll see you soon. Bye.